My name is Jason Gabler. I'm the owner, sales manager, president of Advantage Metal Powders in Ridgway, Pennsylvania. What did I do prior? What I did is I went to school at Penn State Du Bois for a 2-year degree mechanical engineering and a 2-year degree metallurgist. Back the mid-90s I graduated from there and went to work at a company called Arc Metals in Ridgway, where I was testing powder blends down there. They were a manufacturer of powder for the powder metal industry. I worked there for a little while and went to a company called North American Oganis and tested, was their lab tech supervisor there at North American Oganis. Worked there for about 3.5 years testing powder, and then I went as a mechanical engineer to Abbott Furnace Company in St. Mary's. I was traveling the world for Abbott, working on furnaces, fixing furnaces, helping the sales guys to sell furnaces for about 4 years. And then a position came up open at Abbott for sales. So I went from engineering into sales at Abbott Furnace Company and sold powder metal furnaces around the world for Abbott for about another 3 years. I quit Abbott and went to a company called Alpha Sintered Metals in Ridgway and sold powder metal parts for 3 years before my partner and I bought Advantage Metal Powders about 10 years ago. Here at Advantage Metal Powders, my main responsibility is generating sales. For the last 10 years I've been the primary salesperson. I also build customer relations. So what I really enjoy is working with customers to build the relationship to get them products that they need to make their parts. Developing powder grades, different compositions of different powders to meet the needs that the customer needs for their parts. Make sure our employees have the tools and resources that they need to get their job done, and keep an eye on the financials here at Advantage. Make sure that we have enough money coming in to pay the bills. Metallurgy is probably the most frequently used skill that I have here. Finding material grades that meet the customer's needs and at an affordable price. The challenges currently are increased cost on materials, increased cost on labor, increased cost on freight, and then in this industry, in this whole area, not just this place, but finding employees that want to show up to work for 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. What I enjoy most is building relationships with my customers, with the employees, with the people that you deal with, suppliers. So building relationships. If you worked hard, showed up on time, and went the extra mile, there's absolutely anything. You can be anything you want in the powder metal industry. I've seen numerous times people starting from the floor, sweeping the floors. Over time, just by working hard and doing a good job, they become management, they become production managers, in some cases even owners, and do quite well for themselves. So just work hard and show up on time. Average day for me is talking to customers about their needs, quoting different powder grades, giving the customers what they need to do their jobs. Testing different grades of powder, share those results with the customers, answering employees' questions, and giving directions to make the place run smoothly. What I like most about living in this area is the cost of living is low. There's some great paying jobs in the powder metal industry. The powder metal industry around this area is the dominating industry. So you got low cost of living and you get high wages. There's low crime rates. It's a friendly community. Everybody seems to know everybody. There's 4 different seasons, so you got a lot of activities in this area that revolve about being outside. So the ever-changing environment You can do from snowmobiling to hunting to fishing to just about anything you want in the outdoors, hiking. And that's what I like most about this area.